How to remove a payment method in the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to remove an old card or bank account from Wise, well here is how you can do it safely. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, simply scroll down and tap on payment methods. And now here, in this section, you just have to tap on Save Bank Cards or the connected bank accounts, whichever you have added them as your payment method. And here, once you have chosen your payment method that you want to remove, you can just tap Remove or the Delete button. And after that, you'll be asked to confirm. So there, just tap Yes to delete the method permanently. And once you do that, your payment method will be removed from your Wise account. And that's it. That's how you can remove the payment method from the Wise app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.